Top of the morning to you lads. Trucky SAMMIT here checking in. I'm with my crew. There's another 2 loaders in front of us. You know, the guy in the front's Okachan, and then I've got Fukasawa-san, and then I'm in this one. We got 3 drift cars today. We're going to Nikko Circuit. Adam LZ's gonna be there. Are you excited about that? So today's ramping up to be an epic day. I'm gonna focus on driving and pick things up once we get there. So we're just getting to Nikko now and going through the toll booth. I love this new truck so much. It's so awesome. Oh, did you guys hear that? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is the best thing about this truck. This is what I love the most. The toast is ready right here. Ah, this is, I love cars when they come with free toast in the glove box. It's the best thing ever.
She's alive.
So excited for today. Oh, it's gonna be so good. But one thing is, I noticed in the last video when I went to go pick up one of Okachan's cars with this truck, actually that car there, you were all asking about what kind of engine's in this and show more about this thing. So I'm not gonna pop the cabin up because I think like there's no need for that, because you can pretty much see everything in here from the rear. There's a nice little turb skis there. So this will be like variable vane most likely. And you can see it's got some pretty cool, sophisticated actuator stuff there with coolant lines going through it. That's really interesting. So yeah, and that kind of like is an actuator in the exhaust. I guess that kind of like opens and controls that for something to do with something. I don't know, you truck guys can tell me. But yeah, that's the rear of the engine. I hope you guys enjoy that. Transmission thing is there. There's a propeller shaft there. There's a diff there. There's a waifu there eating my breakfast. Yeah, cool. There's also an elbow there that goes into the top of the turbo. Cool. There's SAMMIT's truck review, a true trucky review. I finally get to see my car again. Hey, Okachan's heading out, do a bit of a test lap, but just having a close look over everything here. Bro, did you scratch my car?
Oh, is this take 2?
Yeah. Damn it!
Take 2.
Don't tell them.
Take 2. I didn't scratch your car. It was already there.
It was already there. I'm just joking.
Bunch of photos to document it. I've been very.
Did you actually take photos?
Yeah, just in case you try to blame something on me.
Anyways, we're at Nikko Circuit. I'm going to be letting Adam drive this at some point later on today, but Adam's pretty much got the ability to jump in any one of these cars here, which is going to be sick. Are you pumped?
I'm so pumped.
I love Nikko Circuit, so this is going to be a good time. Last time we were here was about a year ago now, and I really got to dial in some tandem technique and stuff like that. Man, he's sending it, loving it. So I'm really pumped that I'm going to be able to actually get some more practice in today, and driving with Adam as well is a really good treat because it always encourages me to drive harder and better, so hopefully I can get really close. My goal is to try and get a tire mark on your door. I've never done that. That would be my first time ever doing that.
Best advice that I've learned from driving lots of muscle cars and stuff. Don't try, like, unless you're like really close already, because then that's when you put down.
Oh, that's when you put like
you almost have to
full
be
thing
just there, like
Yep.
left foot braking, and then just let off just enough to just beep.
And you just nick it a bit? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that scares me now. Maybe I won't try and do that.
You'll know, like you'll just be there and you're like, all right, this is the time.
All right, we'll do it. We'll try. We'll try.
Just let me know when you're going to, and I'll make sure not to like brake or do anything weird, because that's what'll.
That'll kill me. That'll make the day over.
The tandems are gonna look so cool though with 2 pin cars, hey.
Oh, it's gonna look awesome. I'm so pumped. And we're gonna be able to get out on the track at some particular spots as well. We'll give the camera to May and she'll be able to get some cool other angles that you're not used to seeing here in Nikko. We're out here, Nikko Circuit. Woo! Feels good. Adam's cameraman today?
Yes, I'm his personal.
How excited are you right now?
I am very, very excited. I'm touching the camera he touched.
Oh, that's so cringe. All right, let's get out on track again. We just checked tire pressure. I set up my mics and stuff, and I'll have an in-cabin mic for my, in-helmet mic set up too. So we got that on the GoPro, and we'll head out there and just get, like, I guess used to this chassis with such grippy tires. We're running the Valino Grievous today, so they're super grippy. Even when they're like at 30, 40 PSI, they still have a lot of grip. So it's kind of tripping me out a bit, but I'll get the hang of it in a few more laps, and then we can start working on getting close on people's doors and all that kind of fun stuff. So let's go out and have some fun and not crash. Me and Adam are gonna go do and practice a few like kind of tandems, see how we're gonna go. A little bit nervous. He's gonna be chasing though, so it'll be pretty good, and then we'll switch a bit and I'll chase. We'll just kind of work on it. I'm so pumped for today. I'm going to get so much driving experience, so much good seat time, valuable seat time. So that could have gone way worse than it did. Super lucky that all we got was a few dents here, a little dent there, and there's another dent there. So there's 4 dents total, 1, 2, and then 3 and 4, pretty much from the edges of this smashing into the roof, and then these smashing into the roof. The hood, it's a bit damaged here and stuff, but it still works. I literally thought I latched the hood, but then after that, I kind of remembered that I probably didn't, unfortunately. I think what happened was I popped it when I came in last time, and I never took the hood up and then put it back down. So these things happen. I'm a bit bummed, and it's kind of funny now too, because exactly what Adam was saying, he didn't want to drive this because he didn't want to like destroy my new car and everyone like hate on him for it, and I'm the one that does it. He totally jinxed me. Oh man. Anyways, my GoPro completely, like, casing destroyed itself and exploded and sent the GoPro flying, so that footage is going to be pretty interesting, I think. But the car's still fine to drive and have fun and drift. I just got to make sure I remember to always latch my hood. I literally did a hurt. I did a hurt. I can't believe I did that. The one thing I swore to myself I would never do, I did it. Anyways, I'm gonna quickly get a new case for my GoPro so we can still drift and have footage. And then at the same time, I'm just gonna check the car over for anything else I may have forgotten. Take my front number plate off too so we can get some fresher air in there. But otherwise, man, oh, that was scary, because I knew Adam was right behind me on the chase too. Oh, so lucky. This HKS thing, this is literally the party machine. Oh my lord, listen to that anti-lag. Damn, that's nuts. So things are going pretty well. I'm taking a bit of a break to just chill out because I'm still a little bit kind of like shaken up from when my hood popped up. Gave me a good little fright. So I'm just trying to like chill out. We did just do a few like tandem laps kind of thing with Adam, but I'm just really struggling to commit on the entry and enter alongside him when I'm chasing. So I'm ending up in like just playing catch up, and that's not fun at all. But I'm doing okay lead runs. I just need to chill for a bit. So I'm gonna sit down, have a Coke, and just relax for a bit with everyone.
We're in the daily.
So letting Adam take my car out for a few spins. Gonna get the GoPro rolling, and I've told him to drive with aggression. Drive with aggression. Drive with aggression. I've told him to drive with aggression.
Hi.
It's gonna be fun.
Sugoi.
I'm loving your Japanese.
I need to learn more words.
You do. There you go.
This thing's sick, dude. This thing's fast.
Right? It's really gripped up too, right?
Yeah, it's very, very tight. I can definitely flick it in a little bit harder than I did. All right here, we got this.
Oh, you got this. Yes, 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 yes! That was epic. Alright guys, I figured it was about time that I introduced you guys to Okachan's daughter. This is Intang. She's currently just chilling, just hanging out with May and Adam. This actually looks super weird right now, this shot. Child, wife, Adam.
Listen, there's something that we've been meaning to tell you guys.
Yeah, there has been. So we're all about to head out to do some tandems and have some fun. Okachan's gonna be in his car, Adam's gonna be in my car, and I'm gonna be in like the kind of rental beat up drift car. And the reason for that is Adam really enjoys my car, so I'm letting him take that, have some fun with it. Jump in. Look, Mei-chan looks like she has a massive beard right now. Look at that. It's like, damn. You got a big beard there going on. Just finished kind of loading up all the cars on the trucks. And me and Adam, we're gonna go chill at a Starbucks and kind of exchange footage, because today was like just a big mess of like, we mixed up our cameras so many times. I grabbed his G7X thinking it was mine. It's a mess, but we got to sort it out. So we're going to Starbucks, have a good coffee, chill out, exchange footage. But man, what an amazing day. It was so good.
So much fun. Sugoi. Thank you.
Dude, thank you so much for coming. You're welcome anytime. We'll set something up next time you're here, and again and again.
Better be careful with those words.
Oh man, we got you. Next time we got to do a trip down south though with this loader and kit and stuff, right?
So good, huh?
Yeah, it'll be epic. So we're currently at Up Garage here at Utsunomiya. That's such a tongue twister for me. I still haven't been able to pronounce it. Utsunomiya. I think that, I don't know, I give up. But we're at Up Garage, and they got a pretty cool wheel selection here. These, I've never seen these with a center cap, so that's epic. And then these look nice. Oh, they're Emotions. Oh, they kind of look like Advents from a distance. But still, nonetheless, they've actually got some decent wheels here. It's pretty sick. I'd like to see Adam's Chaser with those on there though. That looks sick, I think, wrapping around Ebisu. Hey, at least then his car would actually be like Ebisu spec height-wise if you ran those. It was funny, I was watching Adam geeking out over all the parts here. It's been so long since I've been to an up garage that actually has like cool and interesting things. And man, it just seems like I had to get a little bit out of Tokyo where it's a bit harder for, you know, like Westerners and a lot of other people into cars to get to. Definitely a lot more cool stuff out here. A lot of cool big brake kits and stuff. Just little things that just, I don't know. Like, look at all these SR covers. That's kind of cool, right? See what I mean? They even have WiseFab here for a 180SX, and it's not even that expensive. And it's, I mean, it's been used, but it's not like beaten up bad. And they only want like 1,600 USD for it. That's pretty decent, honestly. I have never seen an exhaust like this. Literally like triple cannons coming out, and then it goes back down to just 2 inch. It's so funny. I wonder if these are even like connected in, if there's a hole in there. I'm gonna take it down and play with it. Let's have a look. Oh, it is heavy too. Super, super heavy. Are they actually? Oh yeah, no, they're piped in there. It's not flowed too well. You can see where they've actually just put the pipes inside the cross section. But yeah, there you go. So we're currently upstairs now in this up garage, and there's a bunch more really cool stuff. Just wheels and stuff like that are actually not too bad sizing. There's even like factory 34 wheels up there. These are pretty sick. These would be good if you had like a standard S15. Like I run 10.5s and 10s now on mine, but like 9J by 45 18, good rears, Advan Racing. RSs too. I think they're the RS1s. Oh no, these are the RZs. Very similar to the RSs though. Still like really cool stuff. They got a nice set of work 19s there and stuff. Some TEs up there. But I think like one of the coolest finds is I'm a big fan of like all the old school Brid like Zeta 1, Zeta 2 series seats, and they have a set of carbon fiber Zeta Type R's here. Missing cushions and stuff like that, and they need a bit of work to polish up. They're worth every cent though because they're so light in carbon fiber. Very, very cool.
It's polite to take other people's food.
100% without asking. It was also super polite to share forks.
This is also my camera gun.
It is too. We're a mess. Finishing up the night doing a quick Starbucks run. Got to make sure we don't fall asleep. We got to take this to Yashio factory, then get back in the Skyline, drive home. About 3 hours worth of driving probably. Adam's about to jump the S15 and head out. But I had a really good day today. We taught Adam some more Japanese. He's screaming yabai, which means oh my god. And with that, I think I'm going to say thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you thought of the video in the comment section. Love to start a conversation as always. I'm talking too much. Smash the like button. Peace out. Jamata. Hey May, did you enjoy meeting Adam today?
Yeah.
Yeah, was it good?
Yeah. He was sexy.